Muthukumaran, welcome to the Leanpub launch video for Spring AI for your organization, GCP Vertex AI edition. I was wondering if you could take a moment today to talk to me and to talk to all of us a little bit about yourself and about what you do and what your book is about and who it's for.
Sure. Yeah. That's a very long question. I'll try to answer short. Yeah.
Okay.
So, so this is Muthukumaran. I have been here professionally. I have been programming for almost 20 plus years. Actually, having so many years doesn't make that I am a bigger guy. I, for the sake, I am saying this. And then I have been working for a big organization and also contributing to open source here and there. And so if you look into this industry, especially in the cult of Java, cult of Python, cult of Golang, and all these people, Java people will never like Python people. And then Golang people will never like Java people. And whoever is in Haskell don't like anyone. So kind of that. So what happened is, so I am also kind of working in Java, JavaScript, and a little bit of Go and Clojure. So what I thought is, but my bread and butter is Java, obviously.
Right.
If you look into any company, predominantly most of the enterprise organization, everything 60 to 70% of their API services would be in Java. And because of these LLMs given that as APIs, what happens is whenever if they want to integrate AI into their organization, especially all the CEOs, CTOs want like, okay, fine, put AI there, put AI here, put AI there. So if it is going to come to a team of Java people, what they will do is they need to go and ask the team of Python, which obviously they don't like.
Right.
So they need to go there and then it will stay that in their backlog and then it will go slowly. And then I thought like we need to do something about it. I'm not a big guy, so I could see that Spring AI has already done that. So Spring has been a widely adapted enterprise framework which has been used across. So they have been working on Spring AI. So I thought, okay, fine, we will look into Spring AI and how things are going. I have been watching them from point 0.5. So I started noting down what they have been doing, and then I thought like, okay, fine, we'll write some articles. And then after some time, I see that okay, fine, it's getting better, a bit better, bigger. Okay, why can we transfer this into book? Only thing is, I just need to wait that till it went to 1.0. So I started like, okay, fine, we will write a book and then we will just publish it for the people who want to use Spring AI. That is the core. But if you look what is in the book for people to use this, so if there is an accounting department, okay, so internally an accounting department, what if they want to transform that way, like how to insert transaction from the book to the system, how it will work is,
Right.
they need a database. They just need a small database, and then they need to have a table, and then they need to write an insert query to insert it, select query to see it. But accountant people will not write an insert query. So we will add an additional layer on top of it, saying like an API to insert a post request and then to retrieve a get request. And then people can able to see. But still the APIs are not enough. We need a UI. So we will create a UI somewhere in React. And then we will ask these people, accountant people, to go there to insert and then to view that as a report. But still, that is not enough. They want like authentication authorization. So another table uses actually to be what, but internally everything is just a table there. So and then add an authentication layer on top of it, and now your entire bookkeeping system from accountant has been moved to digitalized.
Right.
So similarly, if you look into AI, there is only one API, completion endpoint. That is the main predominant API. There are been multiple, but predominantly it is just one completion API, which you can able to ask, and then it is going to give answer based on the model. So how this particular one API, one AI API can be used in order to adapt AI for your organization. That is where this book exactly pitches it. So in your organization, there will be APIs, there will be services, there will be emails, there will be PDF files, documents, all this stuff. How can it adapt AI within you? Similarly, how an accountant bookkeeping went to digitalized, how AI can adapt within your organization. This book serves as a building block there. So you can able to just start there and then do it and then go there.
Thank you very much for that really great description. As you say at the beginning of the book, this is very much a sort of developer to developer or dev to dev book, and anybody watching this will get the energy and the sort of like coherence of what you're talking about and like the opportunity that it represents for teams to sort of read this book and learn how to do things that are very practical. And I just love the accounting example for being so specific and therefore relatable to people who are going to know exactly the kind of problem that your book can solve. It's Spring AI for your organization, GCP Vertex AI edition. So thank you very much, Muthukumaran, for being on the launch video with me today.
Thank you. Thank you. Pleasure.
Thanks.